This is my Thunder Tiger EB4 Nitro RC car, and in my previous video on this, I got a lot of crap for a terrible glow starter. Well, we replaced that. It's only one upgrade. Second upgrade, said it was painful watching me pull the pull starter. Well, I broke the pull starter. Now we have an automatic starter. Basically, you hook your drill up to this little stick here, and it goes in the back of the engine, and you fire up, kind of like an F1 car. Pretty cool, actually. There are a couple of upgrades in the last one I'm most excited about, but this next one, I was always told as a child to never run this car on roads, tarmac, pavement, anything hard that will wear the tires out, which sounds a little bit crazy. The last time I had this out, I went absolutely wild up and down our street, doing donuts, drifting, the whole lot, and I wore through these tires, and you know what? 15 bucks for a new set of tires, well worth it. I can't believe I was told to never run this on the pavement like that. It was so much fun, and this thing is so fast. I only ever ran this on grass, and it's still fast, but running it on the road, I reckon this thing does north of 35 miles an hour, and we're going to find out today just how fast it goes. Now this is the upgrade that I'm most excited about. It's the GNSS Performance Analyzer. We're going to see how fast this thing goes today. Let's find somewhere to put this. Turn the guy on. So I guess when they say that the wheels are not glued on, I should probably glue them on before trying. So in that little test, when the wheels came off, we did get 27 miles an hour. Not bad, but let's go put the old wheels back on and I'll figure out how to glue these on. If anyone has any recommendations how to glue these wheels on properly, let me know in the comments below. Wow, 37 miles an hour. Not too bad, I don't think. Definitely roasted the tires. I definitely do need to get the glue so we can put those tires on. I don't know if you saw these tires here. These were not very good. They were starting to, I don't know, cone. I don't know what you call that. We do have a good recommendation for a battery powered RC car that can compete with this and is faster than this. I'd be open to hearing about it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, check out this video here next.